Yeah.
So does it seem a little awkward to you?
It's very weird. Obviously, get pulled during a game, and then be playing my first 2 games against my old team is going to be very strange, but it was something I half expected. So, I have nothing but good things to say about my experience.
I think we can get on this.
It's coming up.
Yeah, we're coming. Let's just come back down.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
What has these last few weeks been like for you? If you had to put it in the words.
Last few years?
Last few weeks.
Oh, few weeks.
First, these last few weeks.
Yeah, probably the last almost year. It's been tough.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean it's but at the same time it's a learning experience, it's a growing experience. It's it's part of the business, and none of this is personal. At the end of the day, it's a business, and I can't say enough good things and enough. I mean, Colorado has given me so much. I mean, my wife's from there. We got our dog there. A huge part of my heart and my life has been there, and it's very emotional to be saying goodbye to that. And you never know if maybe one day we'll be back, but it was an honor to have played for Joe and Patty and played with Forsberg and all those guys. I mean, that was something that I dreamt about as a kid, and I got to live it. So I feel nothing but absolutely privileged, and I'm really excited for this new challenge in Ottawa, and I'm excited to get there.
Did you have a sense yesterday that this might be good?
I had a good idea last few days. I was kind of waiting before the Philly game, and wasn't sure what was going to happen, but I had a little bit of a sense that I was joking before the game with my family that this might happen today. So.
What was it like when you got told, like, come off the ice?
I kind of knew before they told me. I saw them talking on the bench, and it's very strange. But like I said, I kind of half expected it to be the weirdest way possible. So it couldn't have been, But it's one of those things. It's a business, and I'll have a good story for people one day. That was a long year, couple of years. There was rumors about this in 2015 in the fall. So, I mean, I'm relieved it's over, but I'm very thankful for my new destination. I'm very thankful to have been an Av. So,
you've obviously dealt with these rumors before, but what is it like after seeing those reports come out a couple days ago that the trade was there and it kind of fell through the first time?
Again, it's part of the business, but I got to run here, guys. I got a flight to catch, so thank you. I appreciate it.
Man.
Thank
Good
you.
luck.
Thanks, guys. Good luck.
Thanks for your help over the years.
Yeah.
I'm going to Sweden. Are you going to Ottawa?